Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to freeze panes in Microsoft Excel. I will be showing you how to do this on a MacBook Air using Microsoft Office 365 Excel application. If you are using Microsoft Excel on the web, or on a mobile device, or on a Windows PC computer, your buttons may look a little different or be a little bit differently organized. However, the processes and the systems will be the same. All right, let's jump in. So let's say I'm working with my Excel information and I would really like this top row to stay in place as I'm scrolling. I'd like this name, email, phone number to stay in place. So typically you'll be on the Home tab. This is the Home tab. Locate over to View in your toolbar within Microsoft Excel. Click on View and then locate to where you see Freeze Panes. Now this is where yours may look a little different. On mine, it's all three. There's three different buttons. If you're on Microsoft Windows or web, you might have to click on Freeze Panes to see the Freeze Top Row and Freeze First Column. That's an important note. All right, so you'll notice I can just freeze the top row. There's a button for that. There's no need to highlight the top row. It's just automatically going to freeze it. So now as I'm scrolling through the information, the top row stays the same. All right, I'm going to unfreeze the top row by clicking on Unfreeze Panes to go back to normal. All right, now let's say I'd like to freeze the first column, column A. There's a button for that. No need to highlight that. Just go ahead and again, under View, Freeze Panes, or you might just need to click on Freeze First Column. Now, as I scroll horizontally, you'll notice my first column stays in place. Really helpful when you have a lot of information you're working with. All right, the other way to freeze panes, let's say I'd like the top row and the first column to stay in place as I'm scrolling through my information. What I can do is I'm going to first again unfreeze my panes to get back to normal. So now I'm back to normal. And you need to click on this split button, which again is located under the View tab toolbar and next to your freeze panes. Click on split. Now you're going to see these dark gray lines appear on your Excel sheet. What you want to do is move these lines. So again, I would like to freeze the first row and the first column, but you can move this wherever you'd like. Maybe you'd like to freeze the first two rows and the first two columns. So you can move this within your Excel sheet. Again, I'm freezing the first column and I'd also like to freeze the first row. So I'm moving these gray lines to do that. Now you'll notice it looks a little wonky. It's kind of double. So there's one more step. Go ahead and navigate to Freeze Panes. And now you'll notice if you're scrolling, your first row is there if I'm scrolling down. And if I scroll horizontally, you'll notice my first row stays the same and my first column stays frozen as well. I hope this video helped you learn how to freeze panes in Microsoft Excel. If this video was helpful for you, please go ahead and like this video, share it out with anyone else who may benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and I'll catch you in the next video.